How to fix TPM Attestation is not ready error on FACEIT. So the first thing that you need to do is check your TPM status. Press the Windows key and R at the same time and just type in tpm.msc. And now what you need to make sure is that the status says the TPM is ready for use and the specification version is 2.0. If TPM isn't detected, like on my computer here, you need to enable it in your BIOS. So let's restart our computer and enter the BIOS. And then enable AMD FTPM for Intel, enable Intel PTT, and enable Secure Boot. And then go into UEFI mode and disable Legacy/CSM if necessary. Save the changes and restart your PC. These are required for FACEIT anti-cheat attestation. Step 3. Verify attestation is ready. Open Windows Security, Device Security, Security Processor Details, and check that attestation is ready, the storage is ready. If attestation still says not ready, update your BIOS. Many recent FACEIT TPM issues are caused by outdated motherboard firmware, especially on AMD systems. Download the latest BIOS from your motherboard's manufacturer and update it using the built-in BIOS update utility. However, this is a very complicated and risky thing to do, so make sure you don't mess it up. If the error still persists, back up your BitLocker recovery key, open tpm.msc and select Clear TPM. Then restart your computer, and then reinstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.